this is my first time really installing a wig. I'm going to try to do everything in front of the camera, plus record some TikTok videos. Well, a TikTok video of me installing, so bear with me. This is my first time trying to do both. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just pull my lace, my cap all the way down. And I'm gonna just take this loose Fit Me powder. A lot of times, a lot of people use like the Ruby Kisses, and it's like a press powder. I wanted to be able to use like the loose powder because I wanted to try it out just for my regular face anyway. So, taking some loose powder and just a brush, I'm gonna start patting it on my scalp. So right now I'm applying that pressed powder all to the front of my wig cap, because that's gonna be where I lay the wig to make it look as if it's my real scalp. Because we are doing the ball cap method, where you see that I have pulled it all the way over my ears, we are now cutting the ear portion. Now I'm spraying my Got To Be Glue spray. You can also use glue, but I'm only gonna wear this for like a day or two, and I'm gonna immediately take mine off. So I'm not applying glue, I'm gonna just utilize the spray. After the spray, we're gonna go ahead and blow dry it, because we wanna get it kind of sticky to where it's gonna go ahead and stay and stick on your hairline. And for this next step, we're just gonna cut our ball cap, and we're gonna utilize those scissors and just cut in the middle, and then create a nice little replica of our hairline, quote unquote. I spray a little bit more Got To Be Glue spray, and then I am blow drying it again. Next, we're taking the wig, and we are applying that same press powder on the wig so we can have a tint as well on the wig. Most people do use the Ruby Kisses press powder, and next time I'll probably go grab some of that just to make it probably a little darker, but this still worked too. So I applied my wig over the wig cap, so you really shouldn't be able to see the wig cap. The wig cap is really just to create that scalp, and then we're about to start melting the lace. Forget the glue is optional, because most people do want to wear that wig longer than me. So you could like what I'm using for the Got To Be Glue spray, you could always replace for glue. But the next steps is we're gonna just cut right there in the middle, and then we're gonna start cutting the rest of our lace to go with our hairline. So I do not suggest for you to use scissors. I suggest for you to go to the beauty supply, and you know those, they not like a real straight cut razor, but the ones that you could use for your eyebrows. I would grab one of those because it's kind of like got the little stick, and that's gonna give you like that little realistic hairline look. Okay. Now, I was just being extra at this point when I threw a little extra spray on it. Maybe you don't need that. I don't know. I just did it because it's my first time. So then I'm pulling out some of my baby hairs, and we're going to cut those actually. And then we're going to lay that lace. So I'm going to place my band right around my head, and while I'm cutting the baby hairs, I'm just gonna let that stick so it can begin to melt the lace. I will never forget about the baby hairs. And this is the finished look. I'm thinking about cutting a little bit in front of my face just to frame it. I hope I'm not mad when I cut it. Here is if it was on the side. I like it, y'all. I feel like I melted my lace. I got a little bit better I could do the next time. Okay, so let me give y'all some tips. Hold on. Should I cut a little bit or no? Okay, I'm gonna wait to cut it just because I'm scared to start cutting into it or whatever. But let me give y'all some tips. Okay, so I have a very little forehead. If you could see, like, this is not me making this up. If you look at my old videos or any pictures of me, I have a tiny forehead. So where I feel like I messed up at is when I put the ball cap on or the wig cap on. I feel like I should have brought the wig cap down just a little bit more towards my hairline, but my baby hairs go all the way to my eyebrows, so that was kind of hard too. So then when I put the wig on, I feel like I should have put the wig a little bit more over the ball cap, because I feel like the cap was just supposed to create like this little scalp look for me right here, which that was great. But like I had like a little problem in this area, and that's just because like this side is like super laid, but this side I had like a little bit more problem with because the cap is like right here, and if I would have put the lace just a little bit more and then not used as much like got to be glue spray, and then I like took some of my makeup off, and I kept messing around with it. So you probably want to do this on like a face that's not full, but I just really wanted to come with my makeup look, so when I was done with the wig we could just see what it was giving. I'm trying to see, is there any other tips? It was so easy. So if anybody is like a beginner like me, I am so nervous, or I was so nervous to do my first wig, but I'm super excited. We're gonna have more on the page, so then you'll be able to like grow with me. As you'll be able to grow with me as I'm like learning, so we can learn together in regards to like how we gonna lay these wigs. But like I said, that's the only thing that I would say that I wish that I could do different. And then when I'm done with this wig today or whatever, or whenever I take the wig off, I am gonna cut my lining some more. But it's so hard because I don't have a regular lining like most girls. Like you could push out, y'all could push yours all the way back. Literally my baby hair just about almost meet with my eyebrows, so it's like my lining is like it's a lot. So I did the best I could. But buy this wig because it's super easy, it's super cute, and I'm excited because I'm just a beginner and I feel like I did this really good. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you got tips, or if you like it and just want to give me a compliment. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me see. Watch more videos, and I'm gonna have a link in my bio in regards to where you can buy this wig. So put it back in the middle for y'all. Bye you all. Love you. Don't forget, everything will be located in the description box. In the link is my Amazon store. In the hair tab, it's going to have the wig cap, the razors, everything you need to create this beautiful look. Thank you for the support, and until later, you all. Bye.